interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCRX. We will continue to serve the Chicago metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations providing information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Chicago metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCRX. We will continue to serve the Chicago metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations providing information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Chicago metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of 375 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles from Russia, and these missiles are heading for several locations across the world. 200 of these are heading in the direction of the North American continent. Due to the sheer volume of missiles, it is impossible to confirm the targets. Therefore, all residents of the continental United States should seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks or explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will lead to certain death. It will only take a minute for the effects of fallout to spread. Fallout spreads hundreds of miles from the detonation site. This is an attack warning. Repeating, this is an attack warning. Attack warning means an actual attack against the United States has been detected, and protective action should be taken. Take essentials, such as food, water, pets, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries to last 14 days. The President will be speaking on all news stations shortly. Please stand by for this message.
Ladies and gentlemen, a message from President James Miller.
My fellow Americans, we are in a dark time. As you have no doubt just heard, Russia has launched 375 long-range nuclear missiles all across the globe. 200 of these are heading to the North American continent, and 175 are heading for other parts of the world. As a result, the United States and its allies have declared war on Russia. I assure you all, my fellow Americans, that even if we are brought down, we will come back stronger, just like we have always done. Thank you, and may God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from President James Miller. We now return to the emergency alert system.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. NORAD military radar has detected a launch of an additional 1,500 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles from Russia, and these are all heading for the North American continent. As a result, everyone in the continental United States should prepare for the end, as there is no way anybody could survive this nuclear cataclysm. Please stand by for the final playing of the national anthem.